Tired of wrestling with messy resumes that look like they were written by a committee of robots at a poetry slam? Manual parsing isn't just slow, it's a one way ticket to data inaccuracy city. This skill arms you with battle tested tools, end to end NLP pipelines using Spacey and transformers, ML driven entity recognition with BERT based models, pre trained templates for ATS compatibility, and REST API scaffolds for seamless HRIS integration. Whether you're an AI engineer optimizing talent pipelines or an ML practitioner building recruitment tech, we've got your back. Spoiler alert, it doesn't involve crying into your Jupyter notebook. Here's what's inside the Building AI Resume Parser skill. You'll get modular NLP components for resume standardization, ML training workflows for custom entity recognition, JSON X/XML schema generators, API connectors for Greenhouse/Workday, and Dockerized deployment templates. Master document parsing with PyPDF2 and PDF Plumber integrations, then watch your ML models crunch through 500 plus resume formats per minute. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your next career data revolution is just an import statement away. Installing the Building AI Resume Parser skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-resume-parser. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance, production ready code templates, and test datasets. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. No config files crying for attention. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent resume-ese, handles PDFs like a pro barista, and outputs structured data faster than recruiters say, fit candidate. Ready to parse resumes like a boss?